Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram messages not showing or Instagram direct messages not working. As you can see, if you click on Instagram direct and you are not getting your new messages on Instagram and you do not have any solution, then we have a solution for this. You have to go back and click on your Android settings. In Android settings you have to go to app settings. In app settings you have to scroll down and search for Instagram. If you scroll down, then you will easily find Instagram. You have to click on Instagram and open the Instagram app setting. If you click on Instagram setting, then you will find many options like mobile data, battery, storage, etc. You have to click on storage. After clicking on storage, you have to click on clear cache so that you can easily clear all the cache on app. It will unload the Instagram app and allow Instagram app to refresh itself, and so your Instagram direct messages now can be shown on Instagram. You have to repeat this step 2 or more times so that any cache on your Instagram can be cleared. After that, you have to click on force stop. This will make your Instagram app to restart so that any Instagram messages which is not showing on your Instagram, then after restarting the app, that Instagram direct message will be shown on your Instagram. If you open Instagram direct messages after restarting your app or clearing cache or unloading your app, then you can easily get the Instagram direct messages after that. Hope you have liked this information. If you want to get the information like this, kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.